H, you know what sound?
Ch.
And then it also says, and that's like a Greek layer, like chorus or school. Okay, and technology. It can be in any position. Okay, and it also says sorry, yeah, you're right. I'm thinking chef, chiffon at the French layer of language. I think of a French chef, and that is at the French layer, and that can help you. Chicago, those are French names, okay? Lake Champlain, those are all French. Okay, so, yep, you're right, sorry guys about that. Chivalry, chivalry is dead, that's a French concept. So, again, parachute, Michigan, I'm just trying. Chevron, the stripes on a officer's uniform, the chevron stripes. That sound, again, is not real common, okay, other than machine, which they probably will come across quickly, okay. What sound do you know for this one? And the new sound is air. Sheriff, merit, errand, era, very, like V-E-R-Y. Okay, so and air. And it's used in the middle for a spelling. Okay? Oh, it can be at the beginning, like, and sheriff is a good one. Errand, okay, and era. Okay, para, errand.
Beginning or middle.
Yeah, because error, errand. Okay. Although they pretty much say the middle, so, but in errand and error, it's at the beginning. What sound do you know for H? And it can also be silent. Honor, hour, exhausted. Okay, so it's in silent. Okay, which two sounds do you know for O?
O.
It has two more. In the middle, like sun, mother, sponge. Okay? And it also can say awe, which we already kind of saw in cost. Remember ost? Dog, awe, fog. Okay. So, A student of mine came up with a saying, if you want it, you can have it. I'll tell you what he came up with. Stop, go, mother's the boss. So no matter what she tells you, okay? Do you hear it? You can come up with whatever works for you and your students. Sometimes it's fun for them to do that. Boss is a good one. Boss, toss. Those are all that boss sound, not a short O. Okay? What two do you know already for OU? Oh, you only know one, don't you? Ow. Ooh, oh, soup, soup, group, you, okay, ooh, wow, ooh, oh, like mourn, the number 4, F-O-U, okay, and then I'll give you the couple. Cousin for is not on your card. Here's a silly thing that we've come up with, and again, you can say whatever you want. Out of soup in Boulder country. So if you're backpacking around big, mountains, and you run out of soup in your pride bag, out of soup, okay? So if it helps you, those are the sounds for that one. All right. Which one do you know for this?
Jean.
Jean. We know Jean. Okay, that's the most common. The other thing it can say after an S or an N is shun. Okay? Mansion, pension, and then S, discussion, passion. Okay? Okay, you know 3 of these, and we just need to learn one more. What are the 3 you know?
You.
And it also says, after here, the put, butcher, bush, not real common. So, that awful sound. So if I ask you the 2 ways you know to spell it would be O-O and U. Okay?
It's after what? A P and a what?
P. Mm-hmm. Push, put, bush, butcher, not a ton of words. I don't teach that real quick. sounds do you know for why?
Yeah.
And then it'll also say if. At the Greek layer of language in the middle of the syllable, it'll say if. Mystery, myth. Okay. What are some others I wrote? System, crystal, symbol. Okay, think of those. Those are Greek. You know, you're thinking math, science, crystals, that kind of thing. Okay, so if. It's a Greek derivation. All right. And one more. You know all of these so far. What do you know?
A-E-I-O-U.
And that's a great style. Okay, type. A computer byte, you know, B-Y-T-E. Yeah. Okay. Analyze. Okay, so that's like the Greek there. Okay. All right. Enzyme, rhyme. Those are the. So again, that one we tend to say for a while. What I often